Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure that you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you open your laptop safely and efficiently. First, power off your Asus UX425E and unplug it from any power sources. Make sure you allow it to cool down if it has been in use. Next, locate the screws on the bottom panel of the laptop. You will typically find around 8 to 10 screws that need to be removed. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully unscrew each one and keep them in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the bottom panel off. Start from one corner and work your way around the edges. Be cautious as there may be clips holding the panel in place. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. After the bottom panel is detached, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Now, identify the battery. It is usually rectangular and connected to the motherboard with a cable. Before proceeding, it's wise to disconnect the battery from the motherboard to prevent any power issues. To do this, gently pull the connector out of its socket. Now, you'll need to remove the screws that secure the battery in place. There are usually 2 to 4 screws holding the battery, so make sure to remove them carefully. Once the screws are out, you can lift the battery out of its compartment. If you find it difficult to remove, check for any additional clips or connectors that may be holding it in. Before inserting the new battery, take a moment to clean the internal area with a can of compressed air. This helps in removing any dust or debris that may have accumulated over time, ensuring optimal performance. If you don't have the tools or prefer assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. Now, take your new battery and place it in the same compartment where the old one was located. Secure it in place by reinserting the screws you previously removed. Make sure the battery connector is properly aligned and then reconnect it to the motherboard. After everything is secured, it's time to replace the bottom panel. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. Reinsert all the screws to ensure the panel is firmly attached. Finally, power on your Asus UX425E to check if it recognizes the new battery. It may take a moment for the system to adjust. If you encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to us for a quote before repair. We're here to help you keep your devices running smoothly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.